some of the key difficulties are definitely the funding. The rarer the disease, the more difficult it is to get funding, and the development of gene therapies is very expensive. The clinical production is very expensive, and that definitely is a big problem. And then moving forward, another big challenge is that the market approval, the manufacturing for market approval is even more expensive, and therefore a lot of the companies are not interested to develop therapies for these ultra-rare diseases, even though there is additional support and additional orphan disease applications that the companies can get, but still it costs around $50 million to get to market approval with a product, and that is too expensive if only few patients are available to treat. That's a huge problem. And also, some additional challenges are the lack of natural history. With very few patients, we don't know exactly how the disease is progressing. There can be variability, and it's very difficult to design a clinical trial with patient variability and then really prove efficacy to the point where we could get the drug to the market. So those are some of the major challenges that we're focusing on, yeah. I think the CNS disorders are amongst the most difficult to treat because it's a very large organ. It is very widely spread throughout the body, and it is protected by the blood-brain barrier. So a lot of things that we have to take into consideration when we try to develop these drugs, and also the delivery and the spread, which I think we're also going to talk about in another question, they're not even. So you could get potentially overexposure in certain areas and underexposure in other areas, and that can be dangerous.